Hi everyone, my name is Harshveer Singh and I am currently pursuing Chartered Accountancy and I am currently in my CA finals. And this is the website built by me, and this website is for the CA student and the CA community. The CA student are facing challenges while choosing their career path, whether they wanted to choose CA industrial training or they wanted to continue with the CA articleship. This website tells you in detailed manner your career what your career looks like if you choose industrial training and what your career looks like if you chooses the articleship. This is the career thesis manifesto. If you have any difficulty in using the website, you can go through the career manifesto. It will tell you the how the website is designed, how the website is being used, and what is the use of the website. This is the operating system for career decision. You can explore the platform, you can begin the assessment right away. The assessment is based on 10 questions which judge you on the basis of 22 dimension. There are 50 plus benchmark CVs which are selected across very big companies. There are 930 plus HR email list which are here, and you can use it to apply for CA industrial training or articleship. The problem was most CA students choose their career path for the wrong reason. The reasons are mentioned below. The consequence would be more, because a decade later you get to know that your role looks impressive but does not match what you want and what you are thinking. The answer is the Career Thesis platform, because no CA student make a decision blind. This website has the structured assessment, it has the domain intelligence, real benchmark, and the career thesis is built on data, not on the noise of other people. The first thing and the heart of the website is the assessment. The assessment works firstly with the question, then it gives the weights to the question, then it gives a score, then it will tell you the archetype of yours, and it will give a detailed thesis report that can be downloaded and used further in your career selection. These work on 22 dimension, and there are many things: archetype classification, contradiction detection, and domain fit scorer. Domain fit scorer is that if you selected a particular domain, then it will fit for you or not. If it will be further discussed in the video. The second thing is the tools. The first tool is resume scorer, in which you can put your resume and get it scored against the 50 plus shortlisted CVs in the topmost companies. The second tools is resume builder, in which you can real time check your CV, how the CV is being made, and you can design it appropriately. Third is interview simulator, in which you can see the most important question that can be asked in the interview, and you get to prepared for it before the interview. The career roadmap is that if you are currently an article, then after 1 to 2 years you'll become a industrial trainee. After 3 to 4 years you become an analyst, and after 6 to 10 years you become a partner or head of department. So it will tell you a career roadmap if you choose a particular career. This is a domain explorer, and this is a most unique part of the website, because it tells you a real time domain specification, because it tells you how many hours you have to work in a particular domain, what is the compensation, what is the exit option, and what are the representative companies. Now, the knowledge library. This is the second heart of the website, because this tells you the each and every single and small detail about the domains and the many more things. And this is the company intelligence and the report, which tells you the score in which company you are be a fit. The fifth is the output, the career thesis built on data, not on noise. This type of report is generated for yours. The one system and one thesis. The first thing is assessment, then you take on knowledge, then you use the tools, then you can use the 930 plus companies and the thesis report, and your decision will be robust. This is the website, and no account is required, but if you sign in, then your data will be stored on the cloud, and you can use it on any devices. Now this is a footer section, you can check it further. Now we can move it to further assessment. First thing is assessment. We'll begin an assessment and complete assessment to show how the report looks like. So I'm choosing on the basis of probability, but you can choose it your own option. This is the report which tells you proceed with the conviction, pursue industrial training, and top recommended domain, the archetype, and how many percentage you are logical and how many percentage are you are emotional. The report is generated on that date. This and the in detail you will get a score. You are 100% fit for investment banking or private equity. This will tell you in 15 dimension how many percentage are you logical and emotional. And you will scroll down, you will see a concrete action to validate or refuse the work date. You can do this thing, and if you feel that the career thesis report is for you, then you can use it or you can refuse the decision. Now this is the filter company database. Now you can see this is filtered as per your fit score only. If you want to use all the domain, you can filter it out and you can see all the domains. In the assessment, if you go, you can see the report, and if you go down, you can download it, you can restart the assessment, and you can do many things. If you are coming in resume scorer, you can upload your resume and you can select industrial training or articleship, or you can select the domain also. Then you will upload and it will score you further. In resume builder, you can see the resume being built on live basis. If you can see, I am removing the name. The name is removed in the resume on the live basis. Now interview simulator, you can see the investment banking questions, you can see the valuation questions, and you can change it to technical, HR, behavioral, case studies, and many more. And you can check the answer from the relevant hint also. Now the domain explorer, which is the unique thing, the compensation and the hours, the exit option, pick if you have this, avoid if you have this, and representative firm. You can use this and you can see whether it is beneficial for you or not. This is a IT planner, means industrial training planner. This is a articleship planner, okay. And this is a career roadmap, which you can see if you are in a management consultancy, then how is your future is looking like. You can see in the present only. This is the job vacancies which are updated on a live basis. You can check out the vacancy and click on the email to apply or the website to apply. You can filter it out also on the basis of location, on the basis of industrial training, articleship, on the basis of company. You can filter it out on many bases. Now this is the knowledge library, which is the research vault, the CA industrial training, IT, dark truth, and even more things which you have to search all over the internet, but this website give you at one place, and you can learn it and make it your career advice, and you can use it further for your career. Now this is a feedback section. If you feel anything that is stuck in this website or you want to report any issue, you can directly report it. It will reach it to me and I will resolve it as soon as possible. Now this is a profile section. If you log in, it will show you this and the company explored and the assessment taken and your all the details, and you can change your password and you can delete your account from this profile section also. Now this is a dashboard section. If you log in, the dashboard section will get unlocked for you. It will show the member since and active status and account age also. Here you can see a small summary of the assessment you have given, and you can see also the resume analysis and the company surface, and you will have a detailed knowledge of the website and what have you done in the website so far. So this is the website, and you have a setting also where you can see you can delete assessment, you can delete all the things which you have done till now. So that's it. You can use the website further and tell me if you have any issues. Thank you.